Hello everyone, welcome to the tutorials of HD Saloon. In this tutorial you will learn how to add day-wise repeat appointments in HD Saloon. To add repeating visits in HD Saloon, right click on a time slot and then click on new visit. This will open appointment details window. So here you need to select the customer. To select the customer, click on the three dotted button. Let's create a new customer. To create a new customer, click on add customer. Enter the customer name and click on save button. Select the customer and click on OK button. So now select the employee and select the service. Sold package. If you want to select a service from the package, then you need to select the package here. Otherwise you can leave it blank. User field list. Here you need to select the equipments that are required for this service. So under combs and brushes, let's select round brush. Similarly in hairstyling tools, we'll select hot rollers and then click on OK button. This will take you to add visit details window. Now click on save repeating visit button. This will open repeating visit details window where you need to enter the repeating set number. This number will be useful while editing or deleting a visit. Say it's HD001 and then click on generate dates button. This will open dates generator window where you need to select the date range within which you want to create the repeating visits. We'll set till the end of the June month. So we want to create the repeating visits between 15th of June till 30th of June. And here you can define the periodicity of your repeating visit. Select daily to have daily recurring visits. And here you need to enter how often the appointment needs to be repeated. Say suppose you want to book a visit that repeats every 2 days or every alternate days. Then you need to enter 2 here and then click on generate button. So here you can see the dates are repeated every alternate days. So totally it has generated 8 dates. Then you need to click on check conflict button to check the conflicts with any future appointments. So if there are any conflicting appointments, that will be shown in yellow color. To see the conflicting appointments, you can click on show conflicts. So this will show a warning message that this employee has one conflicting appointment on that particular day. And then you can click on close. If you want to edit this conflicting appointment, you can select this date and click on edit date. You can change the date over here. Or if you want to ignore the conflict, you can click on allow conflicting appointment and then click on create button. So this will create visits on that particular dates. Then click on close button. So now if you want to see the repeating visits of that customer, click on the customer button and click on the three dotted button. This will open select customer window. Select the customer and click on OK button. So once you select this customer and then click on month view. So here you can see the visits have been created and this visits repeats every alternate days. That's it from this tutorial. Thank you for watching this video.